Hey guys, come with me as I visit a glass blowing factory in Murano. So yeah, we start by making our way through to the reception, and I think we paid €5 each, and with that you get to watch a glass blowing show. So that's where it was happening, and here's me just lamenting about how hot it was in that place. It was boiling. Yeah, they had Adele playing on the speakers, and we had to have a sing along. Yeah, quite passionate there. But yeah, not just us as well. We also had the guy who was blowing the glass. Him right there, he was singing as well. He was just a vibe. Like this guy was just so chilled, so happy. Look at his smile, man. He was loving it. But yeah, here he is blowing the glass. We learned a few things about glass blowing, and it was just very interesting to watch him work. And yeah, he was dancing. I think singing "Happy" by Pharrell as well, and yeah, just doing his stuff, and that was the end result. It was very, very impressive how that turned out. After that, we went to the shop to look at a few things. They had some cups. I think I ended up going away with one of the cups. Yeah, that one right in front there. They also had like statues, they had rings, they had pens, so many things. And I think one of the cool things was if you watch the show, you get your €5 off whatever you buy from the shop. And yeah, this is Murano just walking by the canal, and yeah, it was such a swell time. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.